Okay, now that we have our LAN Ethernet set up with a fixed IP address and the property is private, and I am able to retain that property even after restarting the the server. We are going to go ahead and do two things. We are going to ping from the server, from the Ignition server. We are trying to ping the laptop to see if we have communication both ways, because we do need communication from laptop to server and from server to laptop. So I'm going to go ahead and open PowerShell, and I'm going to ping the laptop first. And it looks good. I am able to ping the laptop. Remember, if you're not able to ping the laptop, go to your laptop and change this property to private. Otherwise, you will not be able to ping it. And now, from the laptop, we'll be able to, I'm going to try to ping the server. But before I do that, I want to find out what my connection string is going to look like once the remote desktop it's set up. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and write who am I, and this is what I'm going to be used as my connection string. So when I open up remote desktop, this is and I enter the IP address of the server, this is the connection string that I'm going to put as the username, PC name, and username. And as for the Ethernet IP address, this is already set up to 144. I think it is right there, 144. This is good. All right, let me go ahead and do that, and I'll come back to you. So before we do that, make sure that the server is connected to your switch, the Ethernet switch on the machine. Make sure that a cable from the RJ45 port on the back of the server, the mini PC, goes all the way to your machine switch, Ethernet switch. So we're going to do that so we can test pinging. Also, your laptop has to be connected to your switch, Ethernet switch too. The other photo shows the power button. We're going to work on that later. That has to be disabled in order for the server to function. I'm not able to ping the laptop from the server. So it could be that Windows Firewall is blocking inbound pinging from outside. So on my laptop, I am going to disable just temporarily the Windows Firewall, just to see if this has something to do with this. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off all my firewall to see if this changes anything. Let me try I'm going to go to the server now and try to ping my laptop to see if it succeeds. Well, it does. It did succeed. So it is related to Windows Firewall. So what we're going to do is we're going to allow the inbound rule, so the server is able to ping the laptop and communication will be established between both ways. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this firewall back, turn it on, because we already proved this is the culprit. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. I'm going to go OK, and we're going to go to Advanced, Settings, and we're going to go to Inbound Rules, and right now this check bar here tells me whether that inbound rule is enabled or disabled. So I'm going to go ahead and press F to go all the way to file sharing, and you see the IPv4 it's not, right now it's public and it's not enabled. So we're going to go ahead and double click on it and turn both of them enabled. Enable them, and then we need to go now back to the server and check if we are able to ping the laptop again. And indeed, I just did that and I was able to ping the laptop. So what I'm going to do is just start the video here. We already have communication back and forth. Both computers can ping each other. The firewall is being set up. It's being back in business again. We're good to go. So we're going to go ahead and now move on to the next video, to the next process, I'm sorry. Thank you. Okay, now it is time to check if remote desktop it's working. So I'm going to go ahead and open up remote desktop. This is the IP address of the server. The username, I already gave that to you, how to find it out. And I'm gonna allow to save credential, and I'm gonna connect to the server. Boom, perfect. We are already connected to the server. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter the password. And remember, this is not the PIN that you set up with the Windows authentication. This is the actual password that you have to log on to your computer. And we were successful here. I'm going to check this mark here, and I'm going to go ahead and connect to the server right now and see what it looks like. Boom. So far, so good. So this is indeed the server. Right now, the name has to be Nubox 10 right here. I'm connected to it. So we're good to go. I think this is a good point here to finish this video. And the next one will be installing SQL database from Microsoft. That will be SQL Server Express. We need to install the Management Studio application. From that moment, if everything is good, we're going to move on to Ignition and install it on our server. All right? Thanks, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.